Elon Musk is at it again, and this time it's the pickup truck industry that's in for a wild ride. Tesla's Cybertruck, with its sharp edges and futuristic design, is poised to completely revolutionize the electric vehicle pickup truck market. With over 1 million eager pre-orders, a number dwarfing the already impressive demand for Tesla's Model 3, it's clear that Tesla's newest brainchild is threatening to disrupt the entire industry. Imagine Ford's F-150, a staple in American driveways, now having to share the spotlight with Tesla's bold new entrant. What's more is that Tesla is changing the rules, offering a blueprint to competitors on how to up their game with advanced technology. It's a move that's unheard of, openly sharing patents and knowledge, all while making the competition's offering seem, well, a bit last season. With the Cybertruck, Tesla is making it clear that the future of EV pickups is here, and it might just leave the traditional giants like Ford and GM in the dust. So, let's see how this Elon Musk's newly delivered Cybertruck will destroy the entire EV pickup truck industry. Well, first of all, the sheer volume of pre-orders is a game changer. The Cybertruck has garnered over 1 million pre-orders, a staggering figure that doesn't just hint at success, it screams it. This isn't just a few interested customers. It's a 1 million-strong army of believers in Tesla's vision. To put it in perspective, this is 3 to 4 times the pre-orders Tesla received for the Model 3, which itself was a record breaker. What does this mean? Simply put, there's a hungry market waiting to be served, and the Cybertruck is the only dish on the menu. Now, let's talk about Tesla's track record. Critics have been quick to predict the fall of the Cybertruck, but they're overlooking a crucial piece of history. Tesla has been here before, with skeptics doubting its every move. Yet, time and again, Tesla has proven them wrong. Remember the Model 3? It was predicted to see a slump in demand post-pre-orders. But the reality? The opposite happened. The Model 3 went on to become a sensation, selling in the millions worldwide. The Cybertruck is poised to follow in these tire tracks, not just meeting its initial demand, but potentially triggering a new wave of buyers once those pre-orders are fulfilled. But it's not just about numbers. It's about strategy. Elon Musk's approach to introducing the Cybertruck was almost anticlimactic, reminiscent of how he introduced the Model Y. This isn't a lack of confidence, it's a masterstroke in marketing. Musk knows the allure of Tesla. He understands that the brand speaks for itself. By underplaying the launch, Musk has managed to keep the spotlight firmly on the Cybertruck, making its entry into the market even more impactful. Here's where it gets even more interesting. The Cybertruck isn't just another electric vehicle, it's a direct challenge to the big players in the pickup truck industry. Ford's F-150, for instance, has been a household name in America for decades. But with the arrival of the Cybertruck, it's no longer the only star in the night sky. Tesla is not just aiming to share the market, it's aiming to redefine it. The Cybertruck is set to offer something the F-150 and others don't, a combination of ruggedness, futuristic design, and cutting-edge technology. Overall, Cybertruck's foray into the electric vehicle arena isn't just a step forward, it's a complete redefinition of what a pickup truck can be. Its body, crafted from the same stainless steel used in SpaceX rockets, promises durability that's not just impressive, it's almost mythical. This truck isn't just tough, it's practically impenetrable, capable of withstanding bullets and arrows alike. It's not just a vehicle, it's a vault on wheels, a testament to Tesla's commitment to safety and innovation. And then there's the power under the hood. The Cybertruck marks Tesla's bold entry into high-voltage vehicles. This isn't just about faster acceleration or longer range, it's about revolutionizing the charging experience itself. With its high-voltage system, the Cybertruck can charge faster than any Tesla before it, slashing waiting times and setting a new standard in electric vehicle convenience. Elon Musk, in his typical style of blending grand vision with unique flair, has dubbed the Cybertruck the Fabergé egg of cars. Just like those intricate masterpieces of jewelry, the Cybertruck is envisioned as a rare blend of art and technology. When Musk remarked, "Probably nothing like it will ever be made again, and maybe it shouldn't," back in January 2019, it was more than a statement. It was a prophecy of the unique place the Cybertruck is destined to hold in automotive history. Then came the moment, 10 months later, when Musk, in front of an audience of fans and critics alike at Tesla's Design Center, highlighted a stark reality. For over a century, pickup trucks have maintained a consistent, familiar aesthetic. Yet here was Tesla, ready to shatter this century-old template. The intent was clear, to not just participate in the market, but to completely redefine it. Tesla wasn't there to offer another alternative, they were there to set a new course, to chart a path that others hadn't even considered. In doing so, Tesla has thrown down the gauntlet to the entire pickup truck industry. It's no longer about who can build a better version of the same old design, it's about who can reimagine the concept of the pickup truck for the 21st century. With the Cybertruck, Tesla is not just changing the game, it's creating an entirely new one. And speaking of technology, Tesla's edge is its unparalleled innovation. The company's move to openly share its technology, like the 48-volt vehicle architecture, is unprecedented. It's not just about leading the pack, it's about transforming the entire race. This level of technological openness is unheard of in the industry and positions Tesla not just as a competitor, but as a pioneer, a leader that even rivals can learn from. Now, consider the broader market dynamics. Tesla's Model Y becoming the best-selling car globally is not just a win for Tesla, it's a sign of shifting consumer preferences. People are looking for more than just a vehicle. They're looking for an experience, a piece of the future. And this is where the Cybertruck comes in. It's not just an electric pickup truck, it's a statement, a lifestyle choice. With Tesla's reputation for quality and innovation, the Cybertruck is set to not just eat into the market share of traditional pickups, but potentially redefine what customers expect from a pickup truck. But what about the traditional giants like Ford and GM? Obviously, they're not just going to sit back and watch. However, they're playing catch-up. While Tesla is ramping up production of the Cybertruck, traditional automakers are facing their own set of challenges in transitioning to electric vehicles. The Ford F-150 Lightning, for instance, has seen production cutbacks, a clear sign of the struggles legacy automakers are facing in this new EV-dominated landscape. So, overall, the Cybertruck is more than just a new entry in Tesla's impressive lineup. It represents a seismic shift, a symbol of transformative change in the automotive landscape. It's the vanguard of a new era in the automotive industry, a tangible glimpse into a future where innovation and sustainability converge. And it's not content with just competing in the existing market. It aims to redefine the very essence of the pickup truck category. With its bold design, unparalleled durability, and groundbreaking technology, the Cybertruck is creating new standards. Moreover, the Cybertruck's arrival is perfectly timed with the glowing global shift towards electric vehicles. As environmental concerns and technological advancements converge, the demand for innovative, sustainable transportation solutions is at an all-time high. The Cybertruck, with its electric powertrain, zero emissions, and futuristic design, perfectly encapsulates this new direction. Traditional pickup trucks, which have long been symbols of rugged utility, are about to be overshadowed by a vehicle that merges utility with the latest in technology and sustainability. Tesla is set to not just participate in the pickup truck market, it's poised to dominate it. And that's all for today's video. Do you think the new Cybertruck will redefine the industry as we know it? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And hey, if you're new here and found our content enlightening, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, ring that bell icon to ensure you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.